10 things men don't know about women. Maybe many men don't really know the other side of women. This often results in a couple's relationship not running smoothly, even break up. In fact, women are more open creatures than men. They tell more stories than men who tend to be more secretive and rarely talk. Well, don't be discouraged to get to know women better. You can find out some things about women that you don't know, here. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. 1. Women love to be listened to. Yes, basically everyone likes their stories to be heard. Listen stories from your women is necessary. Make this activity even more fun by occasionally responding to the story. It will take a long time, but this method makes the woman feel comfortable and feel valued by you. If it's like this, you might be the first one to look for when he needs a story partner. Not only that, listening to women tell stories can in fact be a form of sign of affection. 2. Want more initiative partners. This is also quite important in your relationship with your partner. Usually, men who have high initiative are judged as caring, understanding, and also reliable people. 3. Understanding body language. If you're just pretending to be happy about something, women can read your facial expressions. Women are more sensitive in understanding something, especially regarding your relationship problems. It's best to always be honest with your partner, because if you get caught lying or covering up something, it could have an impact on your relationship. 4. Like surprises. Although sometimes women like to be proud to say that they didn't like surprises, but surprises are something they expect from their partner. Yes, no matter how small the surprise given to your partner, they feel more appreciated and loved if given happy surprise. 5. Women like tenderness. In general, women like gentleness. Say nice things to women, then women will like you. Never do anything rude or say rude things to a woman. If you do this just once, chances are you will be shunned by the woman. 6. Happy to be given affectionate words. Women are very happy to be noticed. One of them is by using affectionate words. Although sometimes a woman is prestige to admit it, but in her heart there is happiness and a feeling of being loved by a partner. There are some words that men should say to their partners to build emotional closeness, for example greeting with a compliment. 7. Women can be independent. Women are tough, strong, and independent creatures. Making independent women as life partners can be fun. You can work together to solve problems. Usually, independent women know how to make themselves and their partners comfortable. 8. Women desire for their partners to learn more about them. Women want their partners to be more aware of the small details that they need. There's nothing wrong with guys paying more attention to women's little changes. Don't forget to compliment or give positive feedback on little changes. 9. Give enough time. For women, affection has many meanings. You don't have to give her favorite items or food. Give her enough time consistently and with quality to be able to make her feel fully loved. 10. Women have fear. Women have a fear of something. This causes women to be better prepared for everything when they are going to do something, including marriage. Therefore, be sure and have a little patience if your woman does not want to marry you. Most men may think, women are difficult to understand, not really. The key is communication, talking to each other, and listening. If there are problems that interfere with your relationship with your partner, and it is difficult to find a bright spot, you may be able to try counseling with those closest to you. The list of women's secrets above is proof that a woman's desire is actually simple, which is to want you to understand her feelings, be treated special, and be included in your life. Simply doing simple things like the 10 things above may already be able to make your woman happy.